Hello everyone, good morning, and we are discussing about the assignments which you people have to work on for the next couple of days. So assignment, SFMC assignment 1, it might be a bit boring, but you have to do it. This is a part of learning. SFMC assignment 1, so in this assignment, we'll be creating data views, data extension. Data views, data extension. This is the link. I'll be giving the start date and end date. It should be start date April 23rd, 2024, and you'll be ending. Expected end date is May 6th. May 6th, I'm expecting that you people will be completing this. Okay. Data views assignment 1. Okay. I'll upload this. Don't worry. You'll be given access. SFMC assignment 1, data views, data extension, April 2023-24. You'll be ending on this day. So there is a link here. You'll open this link, and in this, there are around 23 data views. 23 data views. I'll just try to name one or two. So if you want, you can complete the remaining one. So these are the data view links. Here we have data view, automation instance. Okay. So this link, let me take it up. First, when you click and open this link, you'll be in this one. My only request is, why is that I'm giving these number of days? You have to read this data views. Query data views using Automation Studio for up to 6 months of marketing cloud subscribers and journeys information. When you create an SQL query activity, at least read this page once. Okay. Then you have data view called automation instance, automation activity instance, bounce, business unit, click, complaint, coupon, and many more. So there are around 23 or 25. Let me take this quickly. So the data views which are available is one, automation instance. The second one is automation activity instance. Okay. Don't you read it? Then comes bounce. Four, five, six, seven, eight, 9, 10. For now, I'll just go with 10. So this is data view. Data view, what is data view? We have a couple of more things to learn. It's not that you learn one and it is done. So this is data view. How is that you people will be working? So data view 4. Then we have click data view. After click, we have coupon data view. Seventh one, we have forward to a friend. Sorry, we have E enterprise one. Then we have forward to a friend. Then we have group connect contacts. Data view, data view, data view. Then we have group connect mobile, data view. Just as an example. So we have around 23 like this. What is that I'm expecting from you people is you take one alphabet in a day, automation instance and automation activity instance. So there was a question for an interview for Abdul, and probably this is the answer where you can work and think about it. If you have not done it before, please do it. For the others, let's continue with that automation. Automation instance. This is our first data view, correct? Watch my screen. I'll click and open this data view. Okay. What is this data view is doing? Read this page. If you can't understand everything, just ignore it. Don't worry. You'll go with data views columns. This one. There are a couple of examples been given. I know initially it is very early, but still the agenda is to create data extensions. So data view columns. What is the first one? Member ID, automation name, automation description, automation customer key, automation type, correct? Automation notification recipient, automation, and there are a couple of fields. It's a huge list of fields. That's fine. You people have to create a Excel file for this. Okay, you will be creating an Excel file for this. Preferably do this. Experienced people, I don't know how you take it. That's the reason I'm giving a huge list of time. So assignments, I'll create a folder called data views, and here I'll be creating a file. It might be boring initially. There are a lot of exercises which will help you people to learn. So the new one, I'll save it. This PC, 2024, SFMC April, assignments, data views, and this is the data. Automation instance. I'll create a separate one, or you can do it in the other way also. You can create this as data views, and you'll be creating a separate sheet like this. Separate sheet like this. Anything whichever you are comfortable, or you can create a separate notepad automation instance, and you should ensure that. So assignment, data views, however you want, you can do it. Anything which you people are comfortable. Depends on your thoughts and process. But what is that you need to do is you need to copy paste these names. Member ID. You have to do this. First, you will do this exercise. Member ID, automation name, and people who are experienced. I know it will be boring for you people. I know you people have not done it. If you have done it, that's great. If you have not done it, please do it. It is boring for me also, but I'm doing it, right? So these are the names. Do it only one or two. Experienced people, which you have not done it. If you have already done it, that's good. Automation step, automation instance ID, automation instance run. Read it. Automation instance is run once. File name from trigger. Automation instance scheduled time underscore UTC. You have to copy paste all the names. Error details done. So now these names. Member ID, automation name, automation description, automation customer key, automation type. So how many are there? So you can count it. It is around 18. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, this looks good. Now, what is next? So you have data type. Data type in data extension number, text, and here we have nullable. We should mark this. Whenever it is 400, you should mark it as 400. Now what is next? So you will do only 2 in a day or 3. That's it. So this is my name. I'll take it. I'll paste it here. These are the names. This is field names or column name. Then comes data type. Then comes length. GTH length. What is next? What is next? Data type, length. Next comes primary key. Then comes nullable. All these are from the fields. What is that you people will be doing? So what is next? Data type. So I'm preparing one for you people. Don't prepare this later because it's already been prepared. I'll share it on the same drive. So now all borders. Then comes alignment. Now comes data type. Data type. Number, it's all text. Step count is number. Is run once is Boolean. There are some date fields, text, correct? So be confident in doing that. So number, and then it is automation step, it is number. This is number. This is text. Number is in step count. All the others are text. What is next? Number. Automation instance ID, unique identifier, this is text, and then it is Boolean. So this is text, this is Boolean. You have to look into this one, this data type, data extension data type. I'm done till here. What is next is text, date, date, date. 1, 2, 3. Or you can see the name. UTC, UTC, UTC a date. From trigger is a text. Okay. This is text. This is date. This is date. This is date. What is next? Automation instance status and error details. Okay. Text and text. Perfect. Text and text. Okay. This is all good. What is next? Next is length. Numbers will not have a length. Only text will have the length. So when it comes to length, first one number 400, 400, 400. This is 9. 400, 400, 400, 9. Then 500, 500, 500. Okay. Oh, so it is text 400, 400, 400, 9. Then it is 500, 500, 500. 409, 500, 500, 500. Then comes int. Then comes unique identifier. So they have not given the length here. Automation instance ID, they have not given the length. When they have not specified the number text, but there is no number to reference, you will go with 50. This is 50, Boolean, then comes text. File name from trigger, this one, file name from trigger, it is 4000. This is the maximum character. Remember this. Text can have only 4000 as maximum. Then comes 3 dates, then comes 2 text. Text with 400 and 4000. 400 and what is next? No primary key, so it's all nullable, exactly the way you did it today. So for now, we'll be going with all the primary key will be no, and then comes the last one is nullable. So to mark this nullable, this one is nullable. Automation description is nullable. Automation description is nullable, yes. no, everything is no. Automation description, nullable, yes. Then comes automation notification recipient XXX, 3x's continuously. Automation recipient notification recipient complete, notification recipient error, recipient skip, recipient, these three. Yes, 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 and yes. Be very sure. So it might be boring, but I'm doing it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are nullable, and last one is nullable. 1, 2, 3, 4, which are nullable, is starting from file name trigger. File name trigger. From here it is 4 nullable. Yes, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. While creating this data extension, so I have my file ready. Correct? I have my file ready. I have my name ready. So this will be, what is the name given? These are the fields. The data extension name, should be automation underscore instance underscore, it should be your name. It should be your name. This should be the data extension name. It is non-sendable. No primary key, no nullable fields. If you go wrong with data types, then you're wrong. So this is the data extension name. So you'll go within the tool, data views, create a new data view, standard data extension, create from new, click next. It is not sendable, next. No data retention policy, next. Carefully copy paste these fields. One, automation name. So it will take time to do all these things one by one. You can create all the Excel files. You can create all the notepads and then complete it. It's your wish, however you want to do it. However you want to do it. So don't forget, name can be modified. This one, name. Data type, once goes wrong, we cannot fix it. So you have to create a copy of it. So this is, I'm expecting only one alphabet per day. I'm expecting only one alphabet per day from everyone. So take time, especially who are beginners in SFMC. Don't hesitate to do this. So data extension, once you create all these data extensions, the level of confidence of creating will be different. So my fields are ready. Then I'll open this data views. Keep this ready. So out of these three, it is number, Boolean, 3 dates, and all the others are text. So no primary key, for your information, no primary key, no nullable throughout all the 23. Text, text, text. The first one is number. Text, 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 text. Okay, notification type, text, and then we have step count. Only this one is number. And if you remember, so this is 400, 400, 3 400s. One is 9, that is type. then it is 500, 500, 500, then comes number, okay, and at the last one it is also 4000. So if you are confused with the name, so then comes type is done, so I'll close this, don't need this anymore. Then when it comes to this number, after that it is text, and instance ID is 50. That is the reason we prepared this. Number is done. After number, there is a text and boolean. After number, we have a text, and this is, you can read it. Is run once is boolean, and this instance ID is 50. That's what we see. Perfect. Text 50 boolean. Then comes text 3 dates. File name from trigger. File name from trigger is text 50 with 500. No, it is 4000 because it will be lengthy. Then comes 3 dates. If you have doubt, so use this collar down. Date, date, and date. At the end, it should be UTC. This is UTC. Click and scroll towards the right. This is UTC. Click and scroll towards the right. This is UTC. Okay, 3 dates, 1 text, and automation instance status. So this is text with 400. This is text with 4000. This is text with 400, and this is text with 4000. Last one, just ignore it. Anyhow, there is no name. So I'll just click on create. With this, I have created my first data view data extension, the name followed by your text. Okay, very good. And I would like to say one last thing. Okay, so the thing is, let's take an example. Akash wants to create a data view. Akash wants to create a data view. He can do this. Okay, I'll click on create. I'll create from existing. I'll go to Chandra Prasad's folder, data views folder. I'll select this. I'll just change the name. Akash. Next, next. It's all done. Create. Oh, super. Easy, right? Very easy. Don't copy. You're copying the errors also. If Chandra Prasad has done a mistake, so if you don't work and if you try to find a shortcut now, then you are in trouble. If you really want to learn SFMC, follow the instructions. There are shortcuts. If you know the pain of creating, then you will learn how to create a shortcut. Shortcuts are still there. Akash, don't create that one. So I have done it. You can copy. Kavya can copy from Akash. Akash can copy from Chandra Prasad. Chandra Prasad can copy from anyone else. So don't copy. Create it by yourself so that you'll feel it. You will get used to the screen because interviews will be very easy for you people. Thank you. With this, I'm ending today's training. So almost every day it might go up to 1 hour minimum, 15 to 30 minutes extended based on your questions, QA, and others. Okay. Having all said this, thank you very much. This video will be uploaded in the same folder, and you people can watch it. File will be uploaded, Excel file will be uploaded for reference. Everything will be uploaded so that you people are finding it, and try to create at least one alphabet. Anything which starts from A, complete it today. Tomorrow, complete it from B. Keep 2 targets. Complete the alphabet or at least 2 or 3 Ds per day. You should create the notepad. You should create the Excel file. Then you should create a, I need this. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Hi, Mr. Chandra.